Hi there, Yogi, Virendra Yogi, beloved friends. I'm taking selfie because I always believe in be self-motivated, be self-disciplined, self-inspired, know thyself mind, know thyself. Nothing can give you peace, joy, happiness but yourself. Love yourself, care for yourself, and have a burning desire which must become a consuming obsession of your life to be the strongest, fittest and fastest man. Yeah! Strong man. I'm not a bodybuilder man. Don't misunderstand me. I'm a yogi. I'm a yoga teacher. Yogi, Virendra Yogi. Beloved friends, in this video I don't know how much you will be able to see me, but my whole goal is to teach you one of the best yoga asana, what is called posture, which can really give you wonderful benefits, and that is called Sirsasana. That is Bhikkhu call it, the king of the yoga posture. Beloved friends, here this is the panacea for all ills, all your diseases, all the more than 10 systems of your body will be perfect. A skeletal system, remember, a skeletal system, muscular system, cardiovascular system, nervous system, endocrine system, lymphatic system, what we also call immune system, respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, reproductive system, exocrine system. All the systems of your body become in perfect order just by doing one posture regularly in this beautiful environment. Yeah, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a great man, my dear friend. So this is called headstand. Also you can call inversion, because you see here is a heart. Heart is pumping blood everywhere in the body. With blood it is supplying oxygen, so every cells, tissues and organs of the body get oxidized. Plenty of oxygen, that is life force, vital, psycho-physio, spiritual life force. That air is not only air, it contains oxygen. And all the supreme power which can really make you healthy, wealthy and wise, the positive thing is going. The whole power of the universe is mixed with that oxygen air which is breathing. So beloved friends, this posture can really give you all the benefits, but be careful. Fresh air, fresh water, plenty, and a balanced diet, maybe vegetarian if you are really very interested to become living more than 100 years, stick to that. And then inversion. So what am I talking to you? When your heart is here, it has to do a lot of hard work against gravity to pump a lot of blood to your head, because head consumes maximum oxygen and maximum blood. Because of the nervous system, it has a lot of necessity. And if blood is not going to the brain with oxygen, men die very fast, women die very fast. But once you do inversion, that you reverse the whole body, then really it becomes magical. Heart has not to work that much to pump blood to the head. It is under gravity, lot of blood go to your head, and so all the nervous system become good, and every system I have told you become good. Now I don't know how much you will see me, but I will try to show you. Be very careful. I may fall, but I don't care. I'm living every moment doing right thing to save the mankind, serve the mankind, love the mankind. But I'm confident. I'm at the peak of a hill, but still I can do perfectly that inversion. So see what I'm doing. Just be there, bend, put your hand, make something like that. Okay, move. And then, I don't know how you're seeing or not, put your head there, and then slowly lift your body, balancing very carefully. Let me go to little more stable place. I'm afraid you are able to see or not, because we should not fall and kill ourselves. So I think this is more stable place. So go there, it should be level place, and then lift your body. Here balance is very important. Do very slowly. This is very good for weight loss. It activates your reverse circulation of the body, circulation. You are doing deep breathing, so your lungs are pumping a lot of oxygen to the heart, and the heart is pumping to every cell, organs and tissues. And you can say, day by day in every way I'm getting better and better, more healthy, more smart, more positive, more creative. All my systems are working in perfect harmony. I have energy, I have enthusiasm, I have drive, I have dedication, I have passion, I have love for mankind. To see the whole world population, more than 7 billion, in holistic approach, health, happiness, harmony at everyone's doorstep. That's a dream of Virendra Yogi. So dear friends, include in your schedule this inversion, which is very important. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is wonderful. This is unique. You can do it. It is really very, very rewarding. But it needs some practice. Practice makes perfect. Then you can say, I am the master of the world. I am the master of my own fate. I am the master of my fate and the captain of my soul. By virtue of the fact that you choose and encourage man. A man is literally what he thinks. Thought in the mind has made us. This Virendra Yogi always think to be true servant of the mankind, always doing right things because I want to be a great leader. Whether I die or live, but I am ready to give you blood, toil, tears and sweat to see you healthy, happy and wise. That is our Hindu Sanatana Dharma. Enjoy your life. I am happy, man, because I think always positive. I think always happiness, health and love for everyone. Thank you. May God bless you. Thank you.